These days, every person has some tools or equipment lying around the house, either to fix that pesky light bulb or the leaky faucet. With such an array of tools available, some manufacturers have come up with unique ideas to make their products stand out above the rest. In this video, we're going to tell you in detail about the 6 coolest tools you have to see right now. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. Doer Tool. This is perhaps the coolest and most compact toolbox that we have ever seen. The Doer Toolbox is practically a mini tool shed and is insanely compact in design. It is essentially a 12-in-1 multi-purpose toolbox that completely transforms handheld tools into benchtop tools within a matter of seconds. It definitely does way much more than your dad's tool shed, and it packs to the size of a toolbox. Every power tool that you could ever need is fitted effortlessly into one smart, compact, and insanely organized little box. This product definitely will make you stop saying, "I don't have the tool for that job," ever again. The box contains a hammer drill, a drill press, a jigsaw, a scroll saw, and a circular saw. On top of that, a table saw, a hot wire cutter, a table hot wire cutter, a table sander are also tucked away neatly into the box. It does not stop here though, folks, because the toolbox also includes a mini lathe, a work light, and even a lantern to carry around. The whole thing is powered through an AC-DC converter, which enables the benchtop tools to run directly from the mains power supply. You can plug in into any electrical outlet and work non-stop with the benchtop tools. This product is not only portable, but also saves you so much on money, as well as space. It is relatively easier to use than other such toolboxes, and not only is it safe and durable, but also has very high quality materials. Definitely check this out as soon as you can. Marvel Thor Hammer Tool Set. This is an absolute must-have for any fan of the Marvel Universe. You can wield the power of Thor and be the superhero around the house with this magnificent tool set. The Hammer of Thor toolbox is at your beck and call. Inside, you will find all essential tools that you will need to accomplish all sorts of household projects and repairs. The tools are 44 in total and specialize in home repair projects. The Mjolnir toolbox is the perfect accessory for Marvel fans with a plan in mind. This durable shell is designed to protect the tools housed within the insides of the hammer. Each of the tools found inside the Mjolnir hammer toolkit is durably crafted with precision and accuracy in mind. The grip of the toolbox is itself the grip of an actual tool. Yup, you guessed it, it's the handle of an actual hammer. How meta of them! This toolkit could be the best potential gift for any Marvel-loving person. Not only is it a very practical working companion, it also looks amazing as a piece of decor. This collectible toolbox offers fans an opportunity to take home an official Marvel product. Bosch Children Workshop. Perhaps the best way to get your little ones into handicrafts and tools, this workshop is one of a kind. The Children's Workshop is truly a dream come true for any little craftsman and craftswoman. The workbench comes with a screwdriver, a spanner, a pair of pliers, a file, a hammer, a saw, and a set of scales too. Not only that, but a carpenter's square and a hand screw clamp, a vise, 2 different storage boxes, as well as hooks to hang them up with are included. If you thought this was it, you're mistaken. The workshop also comes with nails, screws, nuts, both short and long strips of wood. The Wood Effect work surface provides a sleek and attractive working surface. It not only looks good, but also fulfills an important function. There even is a little hammer and nails game to help your little ones learn how to hit nails accurately with a cute little toy hammer. All the pieces are made out of high-quality plastic and have rounded edges in order to make the workshop as child-friendly as possible. Pink Edition. The next products are also toolkits, but these are usually marketed for girls and ladies. We believe that this is not only a gross generalization, but also a missed opportunity in making more sales. These eye-catching toolkits are for everyone and anyone looking for a little personality in their tools. Take, for example, this toolkit from Lipstick. Now, this will stand out in any situation. The bright pink bag is made up of many pockets and compartments. This will allow you to organize your tools for easy access. Only for a little more money thrown in, you can get pink scissors, several screwdrivers, a hammer, tweezers, pliers, a measuring tape, a box cutter, and even a pair of safety goggles. We definitely think it's worth the price. This next 13-piece pink tool set stands out for its size. It is no bigger than a standard textbook and has a unique and striking pink color. It can be stored in a glove compartment of a car, in a suitcase, or even a drawer. This means that it is portable and can be taken with you almost any place on Earth. For a mere $30, the manufacturer is offering a whopping 38 products. Most of these have to do with screwdrivers, of course, but other essentials such as pliers, hammers, and even an adjustable wrench can be found in this little toolbox. All of these products are made of the highest quality plastics available to man, and most notable, some of the money from these boxes goes to funding breast cancer research, so it's a win-win for all involved. Original Pink Box also offers a large, roomy, two-tier, pink box to store all your tools in. This is for those people who love to do projects at home and have a gigantic amount of tools to be sorted through. The insides are lined by some sort of rubberized material, which not only helps in keeping the tools tidy, but also stops them from slipping around here and there. The key lock is also a major advantage and will keep your tools safe and secure. The price is a bit steep though. You can get the box for $312. Unusual toolboxes. In recent years, the market has absolutely flooded with a great variety of tools. They not only stand out for their colors and shapes, but a new way of making a tool stand out is their unusual designs. They are made of plastic, but can have very diverse shapes. The American company High Spec, for example, offers a very cute bright blue truck as the casing for their toolbox. It is found in the kids section of the store, but that does not mean that adults can't use it. It houses 17 tools with its body and is approximately $40. Another such example is this toolbox, with a unique and interesting plastic water bottle design. Not only will this help you organize all your tools and screwdrivers neatly, it'll also help you save space. Cordless Screwdriver Fit 80236. This amazing looking tool is fantastic, isn't it? The cordless screwdriver is made in the form of a gun and can be a gift or a fun little addition to your own toolkit at home. The quirky firearm design adds a lot to the character of the screwdriver, but takes nothing away from its functionality, which is always a huge plus. Despite that, the design is not only pleasing in the eye, but it also is very comfortable to use. This Canadian product is ergonomically built and even has a built-in flashlight in the top so that you can see exactly what you are drilling and how. Not only that, the screwdriver keeps you from getting tangled in the mess of wires by being completely wireless. The top of the screwdriver is adjustable, making it easy for you to screw on the different sized adjustments that you need for different projects. The product only weighs 70 grams, so it's very comfortable to carry around and work with. The price is a mere $20, so we definitely think this is one item you should go and try for yourself. That's a wrap for our video on the 6 coolest tools you have to see right now. What do you think? Which one of these tools will you be buying first? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for videos like this. See you in the next one.